There's 3 of them. Count
For
them.
you.
Thank you.
Which color you want next?
One.
Okay.
For you. This is for you.
Hold it. Hold. Here, hold. Take this one from me. She only has 2 hands. You have to wait a minute. You want to hold them all?
Yeah.
You have to give her one at a time. Hold the whole bunch. Got it? One at a time you give her. Watch this be a disaster.
For you.
Ma, you have to, what do you
But
say?
Oh, in the front's here, plenty. Like here.
Yeah, watch out, honey. Move back.
Move back. Move back. One at a time you give her. When she tells you she's ready, then you give her another one. Oh,
I got one.
it's okay. Pick it up.
Give it when you drop. Give it out when you drop.
She'll tell you when she's ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
No more.
Yeah, there's one. You got that one, all right. I'll get this flower.
Yeah, let me take this one.
Hold them, Nate. Hold them. Don't let go.
Am I placing them good?
Yeah. Doing a great job, Aunt Erica.
Another one, please.
Oh.
Oh, thank you.
Oh.
Oh, one fell.
One fell.
Let me see that one.
Let me.
Ooh, you are doing a great job.
Okay.
Where?
Thank
you
you.
see a place?
Put this red one somewhere.
Give me, I'll take the red one.
Oh, I suck one.
It's okay.
What do you do?
Stuck. One stuck in the other. Wait. Bring my help.
One suck.
All right. Okay. That's the boy. You are very
Yeah.
good. All these berries. Which one are you going to give to Aunt Erica next?
Oh, thank you.
Another one. There.
You want to put one on?
Thank you. Oh, another one. Thank you.
Where'd you want this red one? It's a
In
little
the
bit of-
front somewhere because it's big and gorgeous. Yeah, give that to Grandma. Hold
Okay,
that.
hold that one for a minute. You did a
I'm holding
great job.
flowers.
A great job.
How many?
You did.
Two. Couple
Wow,
more.
let's look at the tree now. How's it look now? I have those
And
trains
me
downstairs.
too.
Everybody's putting trains. I have that little world
Yeah, let me
set.
help you. Oh,
Think we
it's
should put
not-
them
oh,
under the tree for him?
where should we put this one? Let's see.
It's like
He-
over.
he owns
Maybe
it.
we can
Okay,
set
I'll
up one
show
day when
you.
he's not in here.
Wait.
Or if you want it for
Ma, where should we
yours.
put this one?
It's a little oval. Let's see.
Maybe
What
we
color
put-
you got left?
Maybe
White, maybe. How about?
Should we put it here and move this one?
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now where should she put that one, Nate? Where do you want Aunt Erica to put that one?
I'm moving flowers.
Ooh,
What are you
yeah.
doing?
I'm just moving flowers.
For the Christmas tree.
What color are those flowers?
Because I'm
Are they
green.
too close, Mom?
No. And
Two.
they're glittery. You need one over here somewhere.
Now I go right there.
Yeah. Come here. Give me that one.
Over here. Over here.
Okay, now more flowers.
Well, that's all the flowers, but now what you have to do is put on your Santa hat and hop up and down a few times. Go show Daddy. Show Daddy your Santa hat.
Ooh.
Wow. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride. I wear it in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the
I
way.
want more flowers. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Give
Now
Grandma this.
those belong there.
Come here.
More
Give Grandma,
flowers.
give Grandma the snowflake.
Oh, we gotta put snowflakes now.
snowflake.
What's that?
Another flowers.
That's a
Snowflake.
snowflake. Give some of these to,
Yeah, this one's
Do you
really
see the
good.
I don't know where to put it, Nate.
Nate.
The tree is so full.
Yeah.
He's running back.
This is a snowflake. Beautiful one. We'll give that to Grandma.
This one?
Yes.
What do you got, Nate?
More flowers for you.
Snowflake.
So
Snowflake.
for you.
Thank you.
Nathan.
Give Grandma this one.
Yeah.
Go.
Well, let's put some back
Another
here.
snowflake.
I dropped it
Be careful. Don't run.
for you.
Thank you. Oh, that's a pretty
Hey,
silver
Lord.
one.
Listen,
Yeah.
I'm gonna talk to you.
Careful.
You know I've been working at this one.
Okay, okay. Oh, thank you.
Boy.
Yeah.
Nate, can you say Merry Christmas